We're here at night in Ocean Point, West Palm Beach. Look at that beauty at night. Enjoy with you guys and tell you that it's a beautiful place to enjoy with the family and come and visit. That's why I come and visit that beautiful pool, amazing pool, and jacuzzi back there. The sky, the palm, the fresh air, the bar, open bar until 11, pool open until 11 p.m. and a beautiful big apartment. This is a great place to enjoy and visit. It's only for guests, only in timeshares owners. But let me tell you, this is a really place. If you can find a place to rent or have some getaway vacations, so come and enjoy. Have a great night and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.